Hello, this is our practice video for adding positive and negative decimals. Alright, well, first of all, when we add or subtract decimals, we always need to line up our decimal points. Now the key here is that since we're adding a positive and a negative decimal, we're actually going to end up subtracting them. So let me take the larger number, 12.8, and subtract 10.5. Now when I say larger number, I'm talking in terms of absolute value. Okay, so negative 12.8 actually in value is less than 10.5. But in absolute value, in other words, how far away it is from 0, negative 12.8 is bigger. Alright, so I'm going to subtract, line up my decimals. 8 minus 5 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, so that's it. Alright, so I get 2.3 is the difference between 12.8 and 10.5. But now I need to keep the sign of the bigger number. Negative 12.8 is the bigger number, and it's going to keep the sign in our answer. So negative 2.3 is what we get. Alright, here we go again. We're adding a positive and a negative. Line up your decimal points, and we're going to subtract 34.7 minus 28.9. We can't take 9 from 7, so we're going to borrow from the 4 and make it a 3. Let's make the 7 17. 17 minus 9, that equals 8. I can't take 8 from 3, so I'll borrow from the 3, make it a 2. Make 3 a 13. 13 minus 8 equals 5. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. Again, we're going to keep the sign of the larger number. In this case, negative 34.7 is bigger. So our answer is negative 5.8. Here we go again, number 3. Line up your decimal point. Subtract the numbers. I can't take 6 from 0, so borrow from the 8 and make it a 7. Make 0 a 10. So we get 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we get 1.4. Is this going to be positive or negative? That's right, it's going to be positive. The larger number was the positive 18. Here we go again. Line up your decimal points. Now subtract. Get 11.2. Is our answer positive or negative? That's right, it's positive. The larger number was the positive number. Alright, here is the self-quiz. If you've done the previous examples and understood them, then here you go. You got 4 problems. Take your time. Pause your video so that you don't see the answers before you're ready. Restart the video once you're ready to check your answers. Welcome back from pausing the video. If you accidentally started the video, pause it again. Alright, here are the answers to the self-quiz. If you were able to get these problems correct, you are ready to retake on this particular skill so that you can raise your grade. And remember, read some books.